We're going this morning now to Norway.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Good, thanks.
Welcome aboard. How do you say that?
Delta.
Delta.
Yeah.
Polish?
No, Croatian.
Oh, kako si?
Oh, hvala, dobro.
Hey, there's a man down there. Okay, go down this side and speak to him. His name is Brad. He's Croatian as well.
Oh, okay.
He's down here.
Cool.
And you're going to go down here and then go across, okay?
Okay,
His
thank
name's
you.
Brad.
Okay, thank you.
Tell him he's a lipa mushki.
Okay. Hi.
So checking. Hi, how you doing?
Good, thanks. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us today on New Zealand 103 for Sydney. In preparation for departure, stow your bags and laptops securely, placing large bags in the overhead locker and small bags under the seat in front of you. Now, to assist our flight attendants, please close the lockers, clear the aisle and take your allocated seat. Thank you. And a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Beauregard Fielding. Pleasure to introduce you Ms. Alana Brennan. And we're your in-flight service managers and hosts today on behalf of Air New Zealand, the Star Alliance and your entire 787 Dreamliner team. It's my pleasure to introduce you, formally welcome you on board the flight today. You ordinarily fly with Air Canada, Asiana, United Airlines, Air China, Singapore Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, Etihad or Turkish. Very nice to have you on an Air New Zealand service today. Civil aviation rules require you to comply with all crew instructions.
Any loose item should be stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Hey, we've got room for one more, and we've got ice creams. That's not. If the fasten seatbelt sign lights up, return to your seat and make it click. Belts fit low across your hips. You should really keep it on for the whole trip. If you're going to get up, it's a good idea to lift the lever first. Or press the button like this.
That's right. Going my way. Right now.
Look at the pail there, David.
If you do need air, oxygen masks will fall down further. Just place it over your nose and mouth and sit there. If you're seated in Business Premier, pull down on this handy red tab before placing the mask over your nose and mouth. And wherever you're seated, just breathe normally. And make sure you've got your own mask on before helping children or those less able.
If an emergency were to happen during takeoff or landing, you're going to need to fasten your seatbelt and place your forehead against the seat in front. Put your feet back firmly on the floor and hold your lower legs.
Now, if there's no seat in front of you, or it's too far away, put one hand over the other on top of your head, elbows either side of your legs, and feet back firmly on the floor. And all those in Business Premier, sit upright with your hands on your thighs and your feet firmly on the floor. I believe you in your seat.
Hi, Dad. We're heading out to the bed.
Kevin? Sure. How fast is this thing going? It's about 35 knots.
Life jackets are within easy reach of your seat. They're easy to fasten while you're sitting down. Just rotate the tab, place it over your head, clip the straps together and tighten.
In economy class, it's located under your seat. If you're seated in the Sky Control, it's in your leg rest.
In premium economy, it's here, in your leg rest. Or if you're in Business Premier, it's tucked under your seat.
Remember, only pull on the red tab to inflate after you exit the aircraft.
How do I look? For more inflation, blow into the mouthpiece. We've got life jackets for all sizes, even infants.
And remember, smoking is prohibited anywhere on board. And that includes using and charging electronic cigarettes anywhere, including the lavatories. Chocolate bags, sweet. What's your
No, not like you, mate. They're preaching the right mostly. Hey, look up. Your crew are now pointing out the exits. In the unlikely event of an emergency, escape path lighting will show you the way. This green symbol is used to identify exits on this aircraft. Follow the direction of the arrows to locate your nearest exit. They could be behind you. And if you do need to evacuate the aircraft, leave all baggage behind.
Just make sure all electronic devices are phone because Wi-Fi is not available on this aircraft. Feel free to use Bluetooth, but only after selecting flight mode. Lightweight handheld devices can be used at any time, but they must be secured in your hand, on your clothing, or in the seat pocket. Extra large devices such as laptops can be put in your locker or in a bag underneath the seat in front. If you lose your device in the seat, please call your flight attendant for help.
Coordination, refer to the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you, or ask your flight attendant.
Our ocean duty is over. Yours is just about to begin.
So on behalf of all of your crew,
And all of your fine people,
thanks for flying Air New Zealand.
good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is indeed our pleasure to be the very first to welcome you to Sydney, Australia. Local time is 10:27 a.m. and if you're staying here in Sydney, expect a lovely warm 28 degrees Celsius during the day. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. But be careful when opening overhead lockers as items can fall out. It's now safe for the transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned off. We'd like to